Hey guys, I am just gonna do a little tummy tuck prep video. I had someone mention that it would be interesting to see like the preparation that goes into like being a single mom and having plastic surgery, tummy tuck. So my intention has been to make this video, and tonight is a really good example of, the kind of stuff that you have to think about when you are basically the sole provider for these kids. I mean, my kids go to their dad's 2 nights a week, but, I am the one that kind of knows what's going on. He's a great dad, participates, all that kind of stuff, but they are here most of the time, so I have to be ready for that. So tonight, I'm not doing like a grocery haul for you or anything, but I did grab some things for the kids. I was just going to show you. I had every intention of doing meal prep. Okay, don't mind the fact that I still have Christmas decorations up. That's a whole nother story. I had every intention of doing meal prep for these kids ahead of time, but holidays, vacation, all this stuff, time got away from me. So I grabbed like some ready-made things, which I try to stay away from. I don't like my kids having all that junk and preservatives and stuff like that, and they already kind of get some of that when they're not with me, because that's just how it goes sometimes. For some houses, that's all they can do, and that's fine. But so I try to usually like cook from scratch. Also, I have a terrible, well, it's on the mend. I have a cold right now, and surgery is in like 4 days, so I'm like really hoping that it gets much better, but my cough is okay. I don't have a fever or anything. So anyway, I called the surgeon, and so far so good. We're good. I got these mini pizza crusts. I got corn tortillas with some enchilada sauce to have Lily make enchiladas that came with like I think I already just said the skillet sauce. I got them ice cream sandwiches, which is a rare treat for this house because I just wanted them to have like stuff to eat. That was fun. I got these cheese lasagna rolls that they can just pop in the microwave with some sauce. I got them pizza rolls. I never buy pizza rolls, so I think they'll be happy with some of this. It's like junk food that they don't usually get at my house. Macaroni and cheese, I got the organic kind. It just has a better ingredient list, less preservatives, that kind of stuff. Costs like 4 times the amount, of course. I got these mini chicken salads for the kids' lunches. Mostly Lily likes that. Tortellini, I thought that would be an easy thing to make. And then I just got like these frozen Franks in a blanket. I got romaine hearts for me for like salads and stuff. And I got some gluten-free wraps. I prefer to do low carb, but not really doing low carb right now. And I thought when I'm not feeling very well, I'm probably, excuse me, this is some very unflattering lighting. When I'm not doing low carb, when I'm just like post-op from this surgery, I'm gonna wanna, something easy. And I thought these gluten-free wraps would be good from Aldi. All this is from Aldi. For tonight, another thing I don't really ever do, nothing against it, but I'm making these meatballs that I got. They're frozen. I just had a craving for them. I'm gonna put sweet and sour sauce on them, and that's gonna be dinner. So I'm just trying to be like easy right now because I have so much to do. I haven't been feeling well. I've been trying to rest, and so doing this all on my own. I got sick, trying to rest and also get everything done that I need to get done. It's a little overwhelming, but I have trust and faith that everything's gonna be fine, and just praying about it, and I know it's gonna be fine. So that's a little bit about the groceries. And then I got this table that was for sale at Aldi today, ironically, and I kind of need, hold on, I'll show you. Adjustable multifunction table. I love that it's an elderly woman in the picture. So I got that to like sit next to the my cousin's supposed to bring me a recliner to borrow, and so I got that to put next to it with like my chapstick, hand lotion, drink, stuff that I need by me all the time. Chapstick #1, right? Does anyone else get just driven insane if they don't have their chapstick with them? So that's that. And then I did get to borrow a walker from a friend, at work, so that's fantastic. And then I have another friend from church who is lending me a shower chair. And someone mentioned that in my comments on my pre-plastic skin flick video, they said that raised toilet seat comes cheaply on Amazon. So tonight I'm gonna peek at Amazon and see how much those run, because I think I'm a little weird about borrowing someone's toilet seat, even as clean as it may be. It just grosses me out to sit on it and touch it. It's just gross. So I think I'm just gonna buy one off Amazon if they're reasonable, and I think it will be a good thing, because I know lowering down to the toilet after leg day is hard. I'm sure that after this it's gonna be, you know, that much harder because your core and stuff is so messed up. So there's a little bit. I'll get back to it and show you a couple more things that I've been doing to prepare too. You gotta love the old Amazon Prime. I've been hitting Prime pretty hard this week trying to get prepared for things that I didn't remember or are coming across, like information-wise. One of them is this Hibiclens. I saw a video from a girl, I can't remember her name right now. Really good, informative videos. She did this as a prep. I think her surgeon recommended it for the 3 days before. And so it like prepares your skin to be very antibacterial before your surgery. So I plan on starting this tomorrow or maybe even tonight to wash my abdomen area. I have to use the restroom so bad. Oh my gosh. So I ordered these Hanes women's mid-rise cinch bottom fleece sweatpants. Just to forewarn you, they say like that they run large. And so I ordered a medium because it said the medium was size 8'10", which I'm a size 10 anyway. And then all these reviews said that they run large, and then I got them and they were just fitting. So I feel like it's not gonna be good for like swelling and everything. So I'm sending the mediums back, and I ordered a large. So those will be here I think tomorrow, and those are gonna be. I don't own any loose fitting pants. Do you believe that? So I needed to get some sweatpant action going on, you know, so that I have something loose fitting. And then I ordered, I should probably turn the light on for you guys, granny panties. So everyone recommends having granny panties because, you know, you don't want to wreck your Victoria's Secret with like incision oozing and things like that. So I ordered like a 6-pack of the Hanes, like regular granny panties. I literally searched granny panties on Amazon, and that's what popped up, and they're perfect. And they're gonna be, I like cotton underwear. I prefer cotton. I don't get too, you know, crazy sexy with my underwear anyway. I do like Victoria's Secret underwear, and that's what I predominantly have, but it's just like a better quality. So I ordered those, keep it, you know, whatever, so that I can throw those away and not have to throw my Victoria's Secrets away. There you go. Also, I did not mention that I either lost my phone or my phone was stolen in Italy. So I've been operating without a phone for almost a week now. Tomorrow will be 1 week. I think it's coming tomorrow, but there's like not like insurance is sending me another one, and it doesn't say like when it's being delivered. It's really annoying, but I was like in Tennessee for like the past 2 days, so that's frustrating, but hopefully we'll have a phone tomorrow and be all set. Actually, I just remembered I need to call the hospital to pre-register for Friday. I forgot to do that today. Gotta call tomorrow. All these things. And also today I returned some things I needed to return to Amazon. It's just like the things that you think of that you take for granted that you can just do whenever you want, or you have someone that can do it for you. Well, I have a lot of family and friends helping me with surgery and with my kids. My girlfriends are taking the kids this weekend to a hotel with them to swim, which is fantastic and so sweet. And my girlfriend's coming to stay. But like, I don't want to be asking people like, hey, can you return my Amazon merchandise? Or, can you do this little errand? That kind of stuff. I have a really hard time asking for help anyway. And I don't like to bother people, even though some of that I got to get over in my own head. But so you know, that's just part of this whole process, I guess. But those are just things that you have to think about when you're preparing for the surgery. You know, what you're not going to be able to do. I'm not going to be getting around very quickly, and, you know, I have a set of stairs in my house. I have to think about that, and am I going to want to be more upstairs or downstairs? The bathroom's upstairs, so it's like I kind of probably want to stay upstairs for the most part, and then my children are going to be downstairs, and just all these things run through my brain. A lot of it I'm not going to know until I think, you know, after surgery, and kind of getting through the first couple days and seeing where I'm at and what, you know, is going to be better for me. But my goals tonight were to get those errands done, get the groceries done, put away, and then get my Christmas tree taken down. The kids are coming home at 8, which is like in an hour. So I have a goal to get my Christmas tree and ornaments put away. And there's still some more decorations that will need to be put away, but that's my goal. Gotta do it in small chunks, guys. That's what I've learned, and for myself, because I can be very disorganized. If you saw my room right now, you'd probably laugh. But guess what? My bed is made because I like to practice what I preach. I tell you guys to make your bed. I make my bed every day. So as messy as my room is, as many things that are laying on my bed, it's made. A couple other little things, just little thoughts. You know, like I am going to be probably feeling better by Valentine's Day time, but I like to buy gift wrapping and stuff at the Dollar Tree because I can't stand paying like $2 for a bag like this at the store. So I grabbed their Valentine's wrapping stuff and then their cards tonight when I went to Dollar Tree. And then I was looking for I had to mail something back to Amazon, so I picked up an envelope, and then I bought this too. It was cute. I think I'm gonna put it by my desk at work. And then I got these cloths to clean myself in case, you know, I can't take a shower for the first few days. He hasn't said if I could shower with my drains or not. I know some doctors let you, some don't. So I got these. I already have some, but I thought I'd get more. And then I was out of Q-tips. But just some things that I picked up tonight also in anticipation of not wanting to like run around to different stores, even though it's a month away, Valentine's Day, and I'll probably be a lot better. Just, I don't want to be like having to run around, and so just trying to think ahead of time, which I'm not very good at. So I'm kind of proud of myself. So I got my meatballs, just eating my dinner now, and then I'm just going to hopefully get that Christmas tree done. I was just going to say tomorrow my goals are like getting the house a little more in order and getting my room clean so that my room's a nice little haven for me during this time and I don't have to think about clutter and mess. Like decluttering is something, again, I'm not good at. It's something that we should just do every day and spend a little time decluttering every day, and tidy people do that. I have never been good at that. I have to really discipline myself to do that, and I go through phases where I'm better at it, but that's just something I want to get done. Side note, perhaps one of the best inventions since like the iPhone. Alexa, play. Alexa, pause. My cousin got me that for Christmas, or she had one and she gave it to me. It's my girl. Like, how fun is that? I think I need the tall one, the actual Amazon, whatever, to have like a bigger speaker. But I have this connected to the Bluetooth speaker too. Also, this would be a really good thing to have after surgery. It sounds weird, but like you can just talk to it and it will play whatever kind of music. It tells you the weather and you don't have to get up. It's just, you know, whatever. And you could also program like can buy these special, I guess, like outlet things. I don't have any yet. And you can have it turn off lights and appliances and do all kinds of things. So definitely a handy gadget to have after plastics, especially if you're going to be by yourself. Just saying. Alexa, play. Hey guys, I was gonna do like a video like showing you my bag before I left for surgery, but I realized I wanted to get this posted before I leave, which my surgery is tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. and I have to be there at 11 a.m. So I didn't want to film tomorrow and then have to do, you know, editing and stuff like that. So I have to sit at the computer to edit. I am gonna get my sweatpants packed, which I haven't even taken. Well, I have one pair on right now that I ordered from Amazon. And then I'm gonna pack my other pair for tomorrow. I'm gonna pack the granny panties, pack a comfy shirt to wear, and then some slip-on type shoes. I haven't quite decided yet, but it's hard, you know, to get shoes on afterward. So slip-on type shoes, a chapstick, maybe a magazine. I don't really think I'm gonna need to read a magazine, and I always have my phone. I can always find stuff to read and look at on my phone, so there's that. I have a ton of anxiety right now. Like, my heart feels like it's beating out of my chest. I am trying to get my room clean. It's really important to me to get this room clean and like in order and straightened out. So that's stressing me out. And then I guess that's it. I actually feel like I could cry right now. It's just like, I think everything, the reality of it all coming together, and that I'm going under the knife tomorrow, it's kind of hard, and it's emotional, and yeah, I just have been having anxiety since they called me with my surgery time today. I don't know if that just made it like really real for me, but they just called me this afternoon and gave me my surgery time, and that just, I don't know. I think that it just made it really real. So, if you're looking to have this done, you know, you can do this. It's very doable. You just gotta prepare ahead of time, and, yeah, I mean, I'm sure I'll talk to you guys after this and comfort you and reassure you, but right now I just have a ton of anxiety, and I do suffer from anxiety anyway. Not constant or anything, but I do have it, so I'm trying to tell the kids, like, if I'm grumpy with them and kind of snappy with them, I've been trying not to be, but that, you know, it's not your fault. Mom is just stressed right now about, you know, this surgery, and I'm trying not to be too stressed because I don't want to scare them and all of that, but there are emotions that go with this, and at least I'm experiencing them more than any other surgery I think I've had, even more than my sleeve. I'm really having a hard time with this, I think, because it's not medical so much as cosmetic, and I'm putting myself under the knife, and I don't know, it's just a lot of stuff. So I know it'll be okay. I'm just gonna pray about it. I'm gonna just try to have a peaceful night after I get this room, you know, in tip-top shape. So if I don't see you guys again, I don't think I'm going to record anymore after this as far as getting prepared, but I'll do post-op videos. So I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for all the positive vibes. Everyone responded so well on the skin flick video, and that just means the world to me. So thank you guys for praying for me, and continue to pray for good, speedy recovery. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.